To use a Scratch Pad, first of all we'll have to add a widget to the Scratch Pad. So we'll see how to add a widget to the Scratch Pad. So we'll click on this ellipsis and we'll add this to Scratch Pad. Now we'll delete this. Now we'll go to the Scratch Pad, and now I can see that I have all the widgets which are being added to the Scratch Pad. So this widget is being added to Scratch Pad from dynamic view dashboard, proficiency table from the advanced table dashboard, and top 5 customers from the demonstration dashboard. Now I can use these widgets into any of the dashboard. So by simply click on plus, and here I can click on this plus. So now I have two different widgets which I used it from the Scratch Pad.